Polish her up.
Caught Jim doing a little detailing here. As you can tell, it's coming out real nice.
This used to be cheap right. I didn't want to use the old one.
Needs a little better wiping over here, sir. He just kind of smeared it around.
Just touch this bad.
Oh man, look at that.
Woo.
Man.
Wait till I get that plastic renew. Oh yeah, now.
Yeah, she's really coming back to life.
Oh yeah. Wait till I get the buffer out.
We're gonna need to polish these headlights up. Oh, mutt. Get on eBay. I think you can find some NOS decals for that thing. That's nice. I think yours is actually now worse than mine. I don't know. We'll see. I just don't have all this stuff from the tree. I got grass growing on mine, though. I don't know. It's a tough call. They're both very well taken care of.
It's growing like you do.
Yeah, not as much. I like. Excellent job cleaning that off, though.
Oh, what's this? A little moss? I know you like that over here. Hold on.
Unbelievable.
This part is nice.
This workbench is nice.
Man, that's pretty close to this.
Oh, you cut my tailgate in half. Oh, what happened? Oh, what happened? What happened? What's going on here? Oh, man. Whoa, there you are. That's nice. Press fit, grease fittings. Nothing but the best for the Cub Cadets. Who needs threads anyway? Obviously that's the first time you've ever greased that, sir. Is that true?
It's been a couple of years. I did it last time I had one.
Oh, you did? Well, apparently...
You're gonna buy another one of these.
Sir. Why you always come over here breaking my stuff?
It's cheaper that way.
Unbelievable.
Sir, like I knew.
Sir, I told you. Hey, don't use that. I'm saving that grease for this. And well, now you know why. Well, at least we left this light on so it'll be dead.
Well, I thought you had a guy handling this project.
I was handling it, sir. I wasn't rebuilding the whole tractor. That's going to be Christina. I'm tired of Mexican. Well, see you later. Angel, too. Angel doesn't like it anymore either. Which is odd. Will the holes line up?
Or we might go back to the barbecue place.
Next time on SYF Your Garage, will we return to the barbecue place? The scene of the disgusting barbecue sauce. Of course the hole's lined up. Well, that floor is done. Right here. All that's left is all that.
Oh, so left is shocks.
Whoa, shocks?
Figure that out.
Alright, well first we need to weld a shock bar across from there to there. Weld some shock mounts off of either there or there. Piece of cake. It's almost practically done already. I need to put this in there where the 57 was, because I don't need to. We're going to swap the cam. I don't know why I was thinking I needed to put it in there. I could probably just leave it in here. So, yeah, anyway, so I guess I'll leave that in here. I don't know what I'm doing. Let me think about it for a minute. It's about 57 degrees, so we'll do a, I don't know what that would be called. It's not warm, it's not cold, it's not hot, so I guess this is just a start. We're going to do a start. I really don't remember last time this was started. I know it's been a while. I know it hasn't been started this year. Starter sounds pretty sweet. Got Jim up here doing what he does best. Yep. Good job, sir. Excellent work. Yep. Oh no, I shouldn't even have cleaned it. I forgot about the rock chip. It must suck having a car like this and having a big old nasty rock chip in it. Can't even imagine what that would be like.
It was more like a rock skin.
I got a rock chip too. It starts at the back bumper and goes all the way up to the front bumper. Yeah, check out the edge of the hood there. Got one on the edge of the hood.
3 of them on the fender.
It must suck having nice cars.
Bird poop
I don't know what that's like. Oh crap, I got a crack with rust coming out of it.
So that tells you there's no Bondo behind her.
No, that is probably Bondo that's cracked off.
It's all metal. It's all metal rust.
Oh crap, I got like rusty crap coming through the paint.
Have you seen these, sir?
Yeah, those are nice. That's the nicest part of the whole car, sir. Let's keep those shined up.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got over here. Oh crap, I got like a rusty spot on the fender coming through. Man.
Oh, sir, hold on. What is this on the car wash?
Oh geez, what happened?
Man, already.
Oh crap, look in here.
That's the best interior you've ever seen.
Man, what happened?
Matt has a knack for picking out cars with interior.
That I do, for sure. At least I got a sweet steering wheel.
It's like, hey, yeah, this interior, yeah, I'll take this one. As far as he looked.
I
Sir, what is this?
don't know,
Oh,
sir.
my goodness.
I do have everything nice and new for the dash, but Jim won't let me put any of it on
Oh,
until we paint the dash.
right.
I got all new knobs and bezels and switches and trim for it. I got the Bel Air trim for it.
Imagine that, a painter, not wanting to paint his own bed.
Yeah, but I got to paint the dash because it's like rattle canned and nasty. But to do that, you got to pull the windshield, and if you have the windshield out, you might as well, you know, pull the back
her up.
window out and strip and paint the roof before you put the glass back in. So, you know, start the restoration pretty much.
Wow, you see how that door closes though?
That is nice. I mean, this thing is primo.